We can start 3.2 angles in polygons and parallel lines. So we completed all the questions in paper 2. So now we can start for paper 4. So this is medium. So the first question here is the interior angle of a regular polygon. Regular polygon means all in polygon, all sides, all angles, all interior angles and all exterior angles are equal with n sides. So interior angle is given as 150 degree. We have to find the number of sides in that regular polygon. So now we know that interior angle plus exterior angle, the sum of interior angle and exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. So then exterior angle will be equal to 180 minus interior angle, and interior angle is given as 150 degree. So then from here we got exterior angle equal to 180 minus 150, so it will be equal to 30 degree. Now we know that exterior angle will be equal to, exterior angle is equal to 360 by n. So which means exterior angle is what? 360 by n. One exterior angle in regular polygon is 360 by n, and this exterior angle is given as 30 degree. 30 degree is equal to 360 by n. So which means n is equal to 360 by 30. So this n will come here and this 30 will come here. So now if I cancel this, 0 0 3 1s are 3 12s are. So number of sides will be 12 sides will be there. So now second question. So in this second question we have to find the value of P and Q. Now see here, this they have given AC is a straight line and BD is also one straight line. So in straight line, this angle, suppose if you have straight line, suppose if you have some line like this, if this is A and this is B, so A plus B will be equal to 180 degree. So which means from here what I can say here is P plus 48 degree will be equal to 180 degree. So which means P is equal to 180 minus 48. So 180 minus 48 you can use calculator. So P will be equal to 132 degree. So we got the value of P as 132 degree. So now we have to find the value of Q. See here, if this P is 130, what about this angle? Here P plus, I will take this angle as some x. So this is, I got this value as 132. So now this is also one straight line. So which means 132 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So x will be equal to 180 degree minus 132. So x will be equal to 48. Like this also you can do. Or if we have two lines always like this, vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle A, angle B, angle A will be equal to B, vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal, always angles are equal. So from there also I can say this is 48, or I can prove like this also. So now we have this triangle. Now this is one triangle. Sum of the angles in triangle is 180 degree. So we have to find the value of Q, right? So which means from here what I can say, 55 plus Q plus 48 is equal to 180 degree, because sum of the interior angles in a triangle is what? 180. So which means Q will be equal to 180 minus 55 minus 48. So you can use calculator. 180 minus 55 minus 48 is what? 77. So we got the value of Q as 77. Now coming to the third question, the exterior angle of regular polygon is x degree. We don't know how many sides we have to find the number of sides. So here suppose any shape if we have, so this shape, this is the interior angle, and if I just extend this, whatever angle here we have, so it is exterior angle. And the exterior angle of a regular polygon is x. This is x. Exterior angle is x. And interior angle they have given as 8 times x. So which means we know that interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. So which means in place of interior angle I can just substitute x, in place of exterior angle I can substitute 8x, altogether the total will be equal to 180. So which means x plus 8x is 9x, so 9x is equal to 180 degree. So which means x will be equal to 180 by 9, so it will be equal to 20 degree. So x is equal to 20 degree. X is what? See here, interior angle will be equal to 8 times x, 8 times 20. So interior angle will be 160 degree. Each interior angle will be 160 degree and each exterior angle will be equal to 20 degree. So after getting the exterior angle, it is very easy to find the number of sides, because we know that exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. Number of sides is n. So then number of sides will be equal to 360 divided by exterior angle, which is equal to 20. So now after calculating this 360 by 20, 0 0 will get cancelled. So 36 by 2, so it will be 18. So which means we will have 18 sides. So now question number 4. A regular polygon has 72 sides, which means they have given the value of n is 72. N is equal to 72. So size of interior angle. See here, first we can find exterior angle itself. So exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. So number of sides is what? N. So which means exterior angle will be equal to 360 divided by 72. So you can use calculator. So 360 divided by 72, so it will be equal to 5. So here after getting exterior angle, it is very easy to find interior angle, because interior angle plus exterior angle is what? 180 degree. I have written here also. So which means interior angle will be equal to 180 minus exterior angle. So which means interior angle will be equal to 180 minus 5, it will be 175. So 175 is the answer. Size of interior angle will be 175 degree. Okay. So now coming to the 5th question. See here, they have given the diagram shows a regular octagon. Octagon is nothing but n will be equal to 8, and hexagon is nothing but n will be equal to 6. So the shape is given here and we have to find the value of x, and they have given regular, here also regular, all sides, all interior angles, all exterior angles are equal in this. So which means first what I will do here is this, I will find the exterior angle. So exterior angle in regular pentagon, sorry, regular octagon. So octagon will be equal to 360 divided by number of sides, which is 8. So 360 by 8, so after calculating this, 360 by 8 is what? 45 degree. So next, exterior angle in regular hexagon. So in regular hexagon, the exterior angle is what? N is equal to 6 here. So 360 by 6, it will be equal to 60 degree. See here, if exterior angle is 45, this is 45. And this one, this we got as 60 degree. So which means this angle, interior angles, all interior angles, this one, all interior angle, this one. So it will be equal to 180 minus 45. So one interior angle in regular octagon. So this will be equal to 180 minus 45. So 180 minus 45 is 135 degree. Same thing here, interior angle in regular hexagon. So it will be equal to 180 minus 60 degree. So it will be equal to 120 degree. So which means we got all this. So 45, here 135. So this will be 135, this will be 135, this will be 135. All angles are equal. This will be 135, this 135, here also 135, and here also 135, and here also it will be 135. And for regular hexagon, it will be 120 degree. So which means this is 120 degree, this will be 120 degree, this is also 120, this is also 120, this is also 120, and this is also 120. Now what actually we have to find? So we have to find the x. See here, from the point, so one complete rotation it is, so it is nothing but 360 degree. X plus 120 plus 135 is equal to 360 degree, because angles around a point are equal to 360 degree. So which means I can write x plus 120 plus 135, 120 plus 135, all together it is equal to 360 degree. So which means if I have to find the value of x, so x will be equal to 360 minus 135 minus 120. So you can use calculator. So x will be equal to 105 degree. So this will be the final answer. From this we are completed the medium part. Now we will start the hard questions. Same thing, paper 4. So in this first question, so ABDF, they have given it is a parallelogram, ABDF, and BCDE, this is one straight line, and AF equal to 12 centimeter, AF is equal to 12 centimeter, AB 9 centimeter, angle CFD they have given 40 degree, and angle FDE they have given 80 degree. Explain why triangle CDF, CDF means which triangle? This triangle CDF, this one. So why this triangle is isosceles? With this we have to find. See here, isosceles means what? Isosceles means two sides and two angles are equal. Two sides and two angles are equal. If we just find two sides or if we just find two angles are equal, it's enough. So now see here, this is one straight line. So if it is one straight line, so which means I can say angle CDF, this angle I will take this as some x. So x plus 80 degree will be equal to 180 degree. Since it is in the straight line, so if we have like this, A here and B here, A plus B will be equal to 180 degree. So which means from here I will get the value of x as 180 minus 80. So which means x will be equal to 100 degree. So I got the value of x as 100 degree. Now I will take this as y. So in triangle CDF, what I can do here is y plus x is nothing but 100 degree, plus 40 equal to 180 degree, because sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of all interior angles in triangle is 180. sum of all interior angles in triangle is 180 degree. So which means y plus 100 plus 40 equal to 180. So y will be equal to 180 minus 100 minus 40. So minus 100 minus 40 is minus 140. So 180 minus 140 is 40. I got the value of y as 40. So which means two angles are equal in this triangle. If we see this angle and this angle 40 degree, which means two angles are equal. Since angle DCF is equal to angle DFC, then triangle CDF is isosceles triangle. That's all. So now we can go to the second question. So in second question, what is given? PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. So T is the point on PR, U is the point on PQ, RQ is parallel to TU. So this RQ is parallel to TU. Okay. So explain why triangle PQR and is similar to the triangle PUT. So here, what is similar triangle and what is congruent? Similar, I will explain this here. Similar triangle, congruent triangle. See here, in similar triangle, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So in congruent also the corresponding angles are equal. Copy. In congruent triangle also the corresponding angles are equal. Next statement is here corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. And here corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding sides are equal. If we take two triangle, I am taking triangle ABC and PQR. If these two triangles are similar, then we write like this: triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, like this. So here if I write congruent, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. This is the symbol for congruent and this is the symbol for similar. So in similar, angle A will be equal to angle P. So this is what corresponding angles mean. So angle A will be equal to angle P. Next angle B will be equal to angle Q. Next angle C will be equal to angle R. So this is what corresponding angles are equal. Same thing I can write here. See here, suppose if I have written like this: triangle ABC is similar to RQP in this way, then triangle A will be equal, angle A will be equal to angle R, like this it should be there. Then only I can write in this order. Okay. Same thing PQR I cannot write like this. If I have written RQP, then angle A should be equal to angle R. Angle B should be equal to angle Q. Like this we have to write. Angle C will be equal to angle P. So now the next thing here is corresponding sides are proportional, which means two triangles we have in this way. This is triangle ABC, let's say. I am taking equilateral triangle. I am taking some equilateral triangle. Any triangle we can take, PQR. So if this is 2 centimeter, two equilateral triangle, since all sides are equal, all angles will be equal, 60, 60, 60. And here I am taking 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. So which means if you see, this 2 is multiplied with 5. So 2 by 10, corresponding sides will be proportional. So which means what I am saying here is AB by PQ should be equal to AC by, here corresponding is PR, should be equal to BC by QR. So this is what corresponding sides is proportional mean, which means all this is equal to 1 by 5, because if you calculate it will be 2 by 10. So all these are 2 by 10, so 1s are 5s are, so it will be 1 by 5. So here corresponding sides are equal, which means just you have to copy and paste whatever you have drawn here, you have to draw the same thing here. If this is 2, 3, 4, this should be 2, 3, 4. So A, B, C, P, Q, R. So this is what congruent mean and this is what similar mean. So here just we have to prove corresponding angles are equal. It is enough. Okay, or we have to prove corresponding sides are proportional. But in this question they have not given anything about these sides. So which means we have to go with corresponding angles are equal. So PQR is a triangle, T is the point on PR, everything is there, and explain why triangle PQR is similar to triangle PUT. So similar to triangle PUT means what I have to prove? Angle P equal to angle P, angle Q equal to angle U, angle R equal to angle T. In this order only we have to prove. So which means first if we see this angle P in both the triangles, see here this is one triangle like this, we have P, T, U, and this is somewhat big in this way. So this is P, R, Q. So now since these two lines are parallel, and I will take this as some transversal line. So we know that corresponding angles are equal, which means this angle whatever we have, it will be equal to this. And now if I take this as some transversal line in this way, corresponding angles are equal, which means this angle, whatever angle we have here, if this is X, this is also X, if this is Y, this is also Y, because corresponding angles are equal if two lines are parallel. So which means what I can do here is, and this P angle is common, whatever here angle it makes, here also the same angle. So if this is Z, this is also Z. So which means what I can write here is angle TPU is equal to angle RPQ. So the reason is what? Common angle. And next thing what I can write here is this angle Y is equal to Y, right? So which means angle PTU is equal to angle PRQ. So what is the reason? Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. And next thing here also the same thing, angle PUT is equal to angle PQR. Here also the same reason, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So which means from here what we can say is, so all three angles, all three corresponding angles are equal, since all three corresponding angles are equal. So triangle PQR is similar to triangle PUT. That's all. So now we can start the third question. See here the angles in quadrilateral are x degree, x plus 5 degree, 2x minus 25 and x plus 10 degree, like this they have given. Find the value of x. So here in quadrilateral will be like this, any quadrilateral we can take. So angles are given: x, x plus 5, 2x minus 25, x plus 10. And we know that sum of all interior angles in quadrilateral is 360 degree, because we will have two triangles. So how to find that? We have the formula also, 180 into n minus 2. Sum of interior angles in polygon. This is valid for all polygons. Sum of interior angles will be equal to 180 into n minus 2. So n is nothing but number of sides, n number of sides. So number of sides is what? 4 sides. So 4 minus 2, 2 into 180, 360. So which means if I add all these 4 angles, it should be equal to 360 degree. So x plus 5 plus 2x minus 25 plus x plus 10, all together it will be equal to 360 degree. So now what we can do, how many times x is there? X plus x, 2x, 2x plus 2x, 4x. So 4x plus x, 5x. 5x, 5 minus 25, you can use calculator. 5 minus 25 minus 20 plus 10, so which is minus 10, equal to 360. So if this minus 10 comes here, 5x will be equal to 360 plus 10, it will be 370. So x will be equal to 370 by 5. So 370 divided by 5 is what? You can use calculator. So it will be 74 degree. So the final answer is 74. So now we can see the fourth question. So AC is parallel to FBD, which means they have given this line and this line is parallel lines. Okay. And ABC is an isosceles triangle. So this is one isosceles triangle they have given. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. See here, opposite to equal sides, whatever angles we have, it will be equal. So this angle, if I had taken A, this is also A. So I can find the value of A first. Since triangle ABC is isosceles, angle ACB will be equal to angle ABC. It will be equal. Opposite to equal sides, angles are equal. Opposite to equal sides, angles are equal. So which means I can say A plus 26 degree is equal to 180 degree. So which means 2A equal to 180 degree minus 26 degree. So you can use calculator. So 180 minus 180 minus 26 is 154. 2A is equal to 154. So A will be equal to 154 by 2, which is 77. So A I got 77. This value of A is what? 77. Now since these two lines are parallel, I will take this as transversal line. This is transversal line. So now in this transversal line, corresponding angles are equal. So corresponding angles are equal mean if this is A, here also this is also A, since corresponding angles are equal. So I can write, there's no space here, I will write here itself. So angle F, there is no B is here, yes. This is also A. So angle FBE is equal to angle ACB, since corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So after this, it is equal to A, which means it is equal to A is what? 77. So angle FBE is equal to 77. Now this is one straight line. FBD is one straight line, which means A plus X, which is this is 77 now. So 77 plus X, it should be equal to 180 degree. So which means X will be equal to 180 degree minus 77. So X will be equal to 103 degree. So the final answer for this is 103 103. 103 degrees is the final answer. So now coming to the fifth question, in a regular polygon. So regular polygon means all sides, all interior angles, all exterior angles are equal. So they have given the interior angle. See here, if we have like this shape, so this will be interior angle, and if I extend this, this will be the exterior angle. So now the interior angle is 11 times the exterior angle. So here I will take interior angle as x. Interior angle is equal to, they have given interior angle is equal to 11 times the exterior angle. 11 times means 11 into exterior angle. So I will take the interior angle as x and exterior angle as y. So which means if I substitute this here, interior angle is what? X equal to exterior angle is y, so 11y. So x will be equal to 11y. So now we know that sum of exterior angle plus interior angle is what? 180. So we know that x plus y is equal to 180 degree. So which means in place of x I can substitute 11y. In place of x I can substitute 11y plus y is equal to 180 degree. 11y plus y is what? 12y equal to 180 degree. So which means y is equal to 180 divided by 12. So what is 180 divided by 12? You can use calculator for that. So 180 divided by 12, it will be equal to 15. So this y is what? Exterior angle. This y is what? Exterior angle. So we got exterior angle equal to 15. Exterior angle is equal to 15 degree. Now we have to find the number of sides. We know that, I'll just write here, we know that exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. So which means this number of sides n will be equal to 360 divided by exterior angle, which is 15. So 360 divided by 15 is what? It will be 24. So we have 24 sides. For the first subdivision, the answer is 24 sides. So this is the first subdivision we have, and second subdivision we can solve now. So in this second subdivision, find the sum of interior angle of this polygon. So sum of interior angle, what we have formula? Sum of all interior angles is equal to 180 into n minus 2. This formula we can apply. So 180 into n is what? 24. So 24 minus 2. So 180 into 24 minus 2 is what? 22. So 180 into 22 we can use calculator. So it will be 3960. Either we can solve like this, or see here, from here exterior angle is 15. What about the interior angle from this? Interior angle is equal to, I'll change the color, 180 minus exterior angle. So it will be equal to 180 minus 15. So 180 minus 15 is what? So it will be equal to 165. So I got interior angle equal to 165. So like this we have, like this, it keeps on going. We have 24 sides. So like this 165 degree, we have 24 times we have 165 degree. So which means 165 sum of interior angle will be equal to 165 into 24. So after using calculator you will get 3960. So this will be the final answer for sum of all interior angles. From this I think we completed the hard part. Now we will start the very hard. So now question number 1a. So this we have to show that each interior angle of a regular pentagon. Pentagon means n is equal to 5 here. Regular means all sides, all angles, all interior angles, all exterior angles are equal. So we know that exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides, which is 5. So 360 by 5 is what? So 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35 and 5 twos are 10. So 72 degree. So exterior angle we got 72 degree. But they are not asking us the exterior angle, they are asking us the interior angle. So interior angle plus exterior angle sum is what? 180. So which means interior angle will be equal to, interior angle is equal to 180 minus exterior angle. 180 minus exterior angle, which means it will be equal to 180 minus 72. So it will be equal to 108 degree. So this is what we have to prove. So we have just proved this one. I'll just yes. So question number 1b. The diagram shows a regular pentagon. So here we have just proved the interior angle of a regular pentagon is what? 108 degree. So here also same regular pentagon is given A, B, C, D, E. The vertices of the pentagon lie on a circle as they have showed here. So lie on a circle, center is O and radius is 12. This distance is 12 and M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint. Find BM. BM we have to find. See here, since we know this interior angle is 108, so here also it is 108. All angles it will be 108. All angles it will be 108. 108. Now see here, we have one circle like this. We have one circle. And now in this circle, pentagon sides are there like this. In regular pentagon, all sides are equal. See here, if all sides are equal, what I can do here is, this is the center of the circle. This length, all are radius. All are radius. All are radius. And if you see all these, how many triangles we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all these 5 triangles are congruent since this side is also equal. This side is equal to this. This side is equal to this. In all these triangles the base is same. And here also radius, here also radius. It is also same. So which means all these triangles are congruent. If they are congruent, this angle, whatever angle here you have, whatever angle here we have, if this is x, this is also x. So which means what I am going to tell here is x plus x is equal to 108. The whole angle is what? 108. So which means 2x equal to 108. So x will be equal to 54. So if I join any line from the origin to the vertex of the pentagon, which means these two angles, this will be 108 by 2. So this will be 54 degree and this is also 54 degree. So like this only we have here. So next concept, suppose if we have a circle, if we have one chord. So from the center, if I draw one perpendicular line, it will bisect the chord. Bisect means, so it will divide into 2 equal parts. If you have, this is A, B, C, AC will be equal to CB. And the reverse is, suppose if this is midpoint, if you draw one line from the center, if you draw one line from the center, so it will be equal to 90 degree here. Okay. So if this is midpoint, then this will be equal to 90 degree. So which means they have mentioned M is the midpoint of BC. So if this is midpoint, from center if I draw one line, so here it will be 90 degree. So I will just copy this diagram here. Copy this triangle. So the triangle is like this. So this is O here and this is M here and this is B here. So here at point M we have 90 degree. So at point B we have 54 degree. So and this OB distance is 12. So which means we know the hypotenuse, because OB is what? Radius. So radius of the circle will be equal to 12 because they have given. So now I have to find the length BM, first subdivision. So I have to find the length BM. See here, this BM to this angle, we know this angle. So to this BM, this is adjacent and hypotenuse we know. So adjacent and hypotenuse comes in cos theta. So which means I can go with cos 54 degree equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is what? BM, and hypotenuse is 12. So from here BM will be equal to 12 into cos of 54. So now you can use the calculator. Cos 54 into 12. So it will be equal to, so after rounding off it will be equal to 7.05 centimeter. So this is the answer for the first subdivision. For the second subdivision, they are asking us to find the length BX. So which means this length we have to find, BX. We have to find the length BX. See here, if this is 90 degree, here also we have 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This color is not visible. This will be 90 degree. So which means here also we have one right angle. I'll just copy that right angle. Here it is M, and here it is X, and here it is B. So we have to find the length BX. See here BM, just now we found it is 7.05, and we should know one angle. See here, suppose if I just remove this angle is 108, because we have just proved here interior angle is what? 108, and exterior angle is 72. So if I just extend this angle is exterior angle and it is equal to 72, and whatever here we have, this is the exterior angle, which means this angle will be 72. So angle MBX, this is 72. So which means what we have to find here is BX we have to find, which means hypotenuse we have to find, BX, which is hypotenuse. So and we know this adjacent. So adjacent and hypotenuse comes in same cos theta. So I have to go with cos theta. So cos 72 degree will be equal to adjacent 7.05 divided by hypotenuse, which is BX. So this BX will be equal to 7.05 divided by cos of 72. So 7.05 divided by cos of 72, we can use calculator. So we are getting, after rounding off, it will be equal to 22.8 centimeter. So BX is equal to 22.8 centimeter. So this is the answer for the second question A part, second subdivision A part. Now second question, second subdivision B part, calculate the area of triangle AOX. AOX, this entire triangle, this full triangle AOX, this area we have to find now. Okay, so calculate the triangle AOX. Okay, see here, this is not a right angle triangle, so this is non right angle triangle. So first we will see how to find the area of non right angle triangle. Suppose if we have a triangle like this is not a right angle triangle. So this side I am taking A, B, C. So now to find the area, half into base into height, this is the area of triangle. This is, let's say, A, B, C. So area will be equal to half into base into height. Height is nothing but it should be perpendicular. Suppose if I draw one perpendicular line like this, here 90 degree, and it makes some angle theta here, let's say. So now if it is right angle triangle, this triangle ABD is a right angle triangle. Now I can use the trigonometry ratio. So now this height I have to find, which is h, and hypotenuse we know, adjacent we don't know. See here, this total distance is a, this distance we don't know, BD we don't know, and total distance is a we have. So I can use opposite and hypotenuse comes in, because for this theta opposite is h and hypotenuse is b, so it comes in sin theta. So sin theta equal to opposite, which is h, divided by hypotenuse, which is b. So height h will be equal to b into sin theta. So it means I am taking the base as a now, so half into a into height is nothing but b sin theta. So it means area of non-right angle triangle is nothing but half AB sin theta. So this theta is nothing but angle between A and B, angle between side A and B. So like this, any triangle if you have, suppose if this is some theta, if this is some another theta, let's say theta 1, so the area will be half into, if I am taking like this, A into C sin theta 1. So corresponding two sides if I take, whatever angle we have in between this, I have to take the sine of that angle, so it will be equal to area of this. Suppose if I take this one, so half into BC, so let's say this is theta 3, so half into BC sin theta 3 will be the answer. Like this we can take. So if we are taking two adjacent sides, then we have to take the angle between those two sides. So like this only we have to find the area of non-right angled triangle. So now we can come to this question. So now here calculate the area of triangle AOX. First I will draw the triangle AOX. AOX, like this we have AOX. I'll change the color. So AO is 12, this is OA, so this is 12, and this BX, here we have some point B here, and BX just we found this is 22.8, okay, and this, see here, this angle is 54 degree, because here also if from here if I join this, it will be half of 108, it will be equal to 54, so which means this is equal to 54 degree. So now just if I find this this side, so it will be very easy for us, because area will be equal to half into two adjacent sides I am taking, which is AX, this side, the whole side, and AO, this side, and for these two sides the angle between these two sides is what, 54, so sin 54, so this will be the area. Now just I have to find the length of this, just I have to find the length of this. Now if we see here, this is one chord, AB is one chord, which means from here I will draw one right angle triangle. So if I draw one right angle triangle, I can easily find this side. See here, it will be equal to the same as right angle triangle, means this will be the midpoint. So this is congruent, which means all these triangles are congruent, all these triangles are congruent. Just now we found this side is what, this side is, which is BM, just now we found 7.05. So this MC is also 7.05. So it means 7.05 plus 7.05 is BC. What I am telling here is, in regular pentagon, so this is one pentagon like this we have, I'll draw here. So A, B, C, D, E, this is one pentagon, it is regular, and here we have one center, and here this is the midpoint M. So just now we found here from this BM is what, 7.05. So I'll just write BM 7.05. And this M is the midpoint of BC. If this is 7.05, so this is also 7.05, this length. which means this total BC is 2 times 7.05. And we know that in regular pentagon all sides are equal. So if this is 2 times 0.75, so this is also. So what is 2 times 0.75? I will calculate this. 2 times 2 into 7.05. So it will be 14.1. So this will be 14.1. This is also 14.1. This is also 14.1. This is also 14.1. This is also 14.1. Because in regular pentagon all sides are equal. So now AB is also 14.1. Here what we have AB. So which is this is 14.1. So what I can do here is half into AX is nothing but what? AB plus BX. And AB is what? 14.1. So 14.1 plus 22.8. So this will be equal to 36.9. So AX we got 36.9. So now I can just substitute this here. So half into AX, which is 36.9, and AO, which we have 12, and sine 54 degree. So now I can use the calculator. So 36.9 into 12 into sine of 54 divided by 2. So I am getting 179.1163 like this. So now after rounding off this is area centimeter square. All are in centimeter. This is in centimeter. Everything is in centimeter. The area unit will be centimeter square. So after rounding off, I can write this as, this one I can neglect. So 179 centimeter square. So this will be the final answer for this. So now we can do the second question. The diagram shows a triangle and a quadrilateral. Okay, all angles are in degrees. So for the triangle, show that 3a plus 5b equal to 70. See here, all interior angles are given, which means if I add all interior angles, so the sum is what? 180 degree. So plus a plus 2b equal to 180 degree. So which means 2a plus a, 3a. So 3a plus 3b plus 2b, 5b plus constant plus 10 equal to 180 degree. So this plus 10, if it comes here, it is minus 10. So 3a plus 5b, 180 minus 10 is what? 170. So yes, just we have to show that, we have to just prove 3a plus 5b equal to 170. And for quadrilateral, we have to prove 9a plus 7b equal to 310. So if I add all the angles, all the interior angles in quadrilateral, it will be equal to 360 degree. So which means 8a plus 3a plus 2b plus 4b minus 2a plus b plus 50 equal to 360 degree. So which means 8a plus 3a, so it will be 11 minus 2, it is 9a. So just you have to take calculator, take the coefficients of a, 8 plus 3 minus 2, with the sign we have to take. So 8 plus 3 minus 2 is what? 9. So next 2b plus 4b, 6b, 6b plus b, it will be equal to 7b. And constant, what we have? Constant is 50. So plus 50 equal to 360. So this constant will come here, so it will be equal to 9a plus 7b equal to 360 minus 50, so it will be 310 degree. So like this we have. So now the third subdivision, solve this simultaneous equation. Two simultaneous equations we have to just solve this and we have to find the value of a and b. So we can use substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method. So first we can go with elimination method. For elimination method, we have to make the coefficient of a or coefficient of b same. So after seeing this equation, if I multiply with 3, the coefficient of a will be same now. So first equation I will take this as first, second. So first equation I will multiply it with 3. So I will get 3 3s are 9. So 9a plus See here, if I start multiplying with 3, to each and every element I had to multiply, to each and every term I had to multiply 3. So 3 3s are 9, so 9a plus 5 3s are 15, so 15b equal to 170 into 3, so it will be equal to 510. Second equation I should not disturb anything, just I have to copy that. So 9a plus 7b equal to 310. Now if I subtract, see here, if we subtract, if I change the sign here, because I have to change the sign, 9a plus 9a, it will be 18a. I have to cancel that, which means I have to take the opposite sign of this. If I am changing the sign here, I have to change the sign to each and every element. Plus means minus, minus means plus. So here plus is there, which means here minus. So 9a minus 9a, this will get cancelled. So next we have 15 minus 7. So 15 minus 7 is 8. So 8b equal to 10 minus 10 will get cancelled. 5 minus 3, 2. So 200. So 200 will be there. So which means I got 8b equal to 200. So which means b will be equal to 200 by 8. So 200 by 8 will be equal to 25. Now this value 25, I can take any one equation. In that equation I have to substitute the value of b. So what I will do here is, I will take this, I will take this 3a plus, in substitute b equal to 25 in equation 1. So what will happen, 3a plus 5 times b, which is 25, equal to 170. So which means from here 3a plus 5 into 125, 5 into 25 is what, 125, equal to 170. This will come here. So 3a will be equal to 170 minus 125. So it will be equal to 45. So a will be equal to 15. So the value of a is 15 and the value of b is 25. So now coming to the fourth subdivision. Find the size of the smallest angle in the triangle. See here, we have to just find the smallest angle in this triangle we have. So what are all the angles we have in the triangle? 3b plus 10 is one angle. 3 angles we have in the triangle. Next a plus 2b. Next 2a. So we have to calculate all these 3 angles. After calculating, we have to just check which angle is very small. So from here substitute the value. So 3 into b is what? 25 plus 10. So you can use calculator. So 3 into 25 plus 10 is 85. So a is what? 15 plus 2 into b is what? 25. So 25 into 2, 50, 50 plus 15, it is 65. Next, so 2a, so 2 into 15, so it will be equal to 30. Now I have to compare. So here this triangle, 3b, 2a, 3b, this is 85 and this is 30 and this is 65. Which angle is very small? This angle is very small. So which means the smallest angle in this triangle is 30 degree. Smallest angle in triangle is 30 degree. So from this we completed this question. Now question 3. In this question, the diagram shows a regular pentagon. Okay, so which means all sides, all angles are equal. AB and CD are 2 lines of symmetry of the pentagon, and we know this. Suppose if we have one regular, any shape, regular pentagon or regular hexagon, whatever it is, from the vertex, if I draw one line, so this will be the line of symmetry. Whatever here we have, same thing here also we will have. So which means from the vertex only we have drawn this line, which means this will be the line of symmetry. From the vertex only we have joined this line, so this will be the line of symmetry. The diagram shows a regular pentagon and AB and CD are the lines of symmetry, and work out the size of angle marked X. This angle we have to find. So if we have to find this angle, suppose if this angle I will take as some Y. This is one straight line. AB is a straight line, which means x plus y will be equal to 180 degree. So first thing I have to find here is, if I find this angle y, so it is very easy for us to find the angle x. So first thing, in regular pentagon, all interior angles will be equal to 108 degree. How it is 108 degree? See here, in pentagon we have n equal to 5 sides we have. So which means exterior angle will be equal to 360 divided by number of sides, which is 5. So 360 by 5 is what? 72. So interior angle will be equal to 180 degree minus exterior angle. So 180 minus 72. So this will be equal to 108 degree. All angles will be equal to 108. 108. This is 108 and this is 108. Now suppose if we draw a line of symmetry here, line of symmetry like this, so it cuts into two equal parts. If it is cutting into two equal parts, whatever angle here we have, let's say this is A, this is also A, because it cuts into two equal parts. So which means this A plus A all together, it is 108 interior angle. So A plus A equal to 108, which means 2A equal to 108. So A will be equal to 54 degree. So this angle we got 54, which means from here also the same thing. From here, from line of symmetry, the angle is what? 54. So this will be 54 degree. So now this angle, if I had taken this is B, this is also B. So which means B plus B, B will be equal to, B plus B equal to 180 degrees, since it is a straight line. This is one straight line. Angle will be equal, because of line of symmetry, B plus B equal to 180, 2B equal to 180 degree, which means B will be equal to 180 by 2, which is equal to 90 degree. So which means I got this angle as 90 degree. So I got this as 54, because this is A and this is also A. A plus A equal to 108. So which means A will be equal to 54. Now here we have one right angle triangle. This is one triangle. So sum of the angles in a triangle is what? 180. So which means I can have 54 degree plus B is what? 90 degree plus Y, all together it is equal to 180 degree. So from here I can use the calculator. So Y will be equal to 180 minus 90 minus 54 degree. So 180 minus 90 minus 54, so the answer is 36. So Y is equal to 36 degree. After finding the value of x, x plus y equal to 180, because since AB is a straight line, since AB is a straight line, I can say x plus y, the angle x plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y I know, so x plus 36 degree equal to 180 degree. So x will be equal to 180 minus 36. So x will be equal to 180 degree minus 36. So x will be equal to 144 degree. So this will be the final answer. So ABCDEFGHI is a regular n9-sided polygon. So which means what is the exterior angle? Exterior angle is equal to 180, exterior angle is 360 divided by number of sides. So number of sides is what? 9. So 360 by 9. So it will be equal to 40 degree. So exterior angle means this one. If I just extend this, so it will be equal to 40 degree. So now after seeing this shape is trapezium, because this line and this line is parallel. So this will be one trapezium. So in trapezium, if these two lines are parallel, after taking this line as transversal line, I am taking this line as transversal line, corresponding angles are equal. So if corresponding angles are equal, if this is 40, this is also 40. This is also 40 we have. Now what actually we have to find? We have to find the angle BEF. BEF we have to find. So this angle BEF, I will take this angle as some x. So this angle BEF, let angle BEF equal to x. This entire thing is interior angle. So which means x plus 40 degree is equal to interior angle. So just now I found the exterior angle. So I have exterior angle is equal to 40 degree. Exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degree. This we know. Interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So which means exterior angle we have 40 degree. So interior angle we have, x plus 40 degree interior angle. This is interior angle, and exterior angle 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. So which means 40 plus 40 80. So x plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 minus 80. So x will be equal to 100. So x is what? Angle BEF. So angle BEF equal to 100 degree. So this is what we have to find. So in this question number 5, PQRST. So this is a regular pentagon. So pentagon means n will be equal to 5. So regular pentagon, all sides, all angles, all interior angles or exterior angles are equal. So which means exterior angle, all exterior, all interior angles are equal. R, U and T are the points on the circle. R, U and T are the points on the circle. QR are tangents to the circle. RSU is a straight line. RSU is a straight line. Prove that ST equal to UT. So this line ST equal to UT, this we have to prove. So which means it is one isosceles triangle. So just we have to prove triangle TSU as isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, to prove isosceles triangle, either we can prove two sides are equal or two angles are equal. So just we have to prove this angle is equal to this one. So after proving this, so we have to prove, angle TSU is equal to angle TUS. If two angles are equal, so it is an isosceles triangle. So opposite to equal angles, whatever sides we have, it will be equal, which means we will get ST equal to UT. So first thing here we have to find the interior angles, exterior angle, those things to find this one. And after saying this, this is the exterior angle we have. Exterior angle for pentagon. This angle is exterior angle of regular pentagon. Regular, because they have given regular pentagon. PTSRQ or PQRST. So which means first, what is the formula we have for exterior angle? Exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. 360 number of sides is what? 5. So 360 by 5, so it will be equal to 72. So which means this angle we got 72. Which means just we have to prove this angle is also 72. Just we have to prove this. Now for this they have given one more information. QR and PT are the tangent to the circle. Now just recall, if we have one circle, this line is tangent line. From the center, if I draw one line, this will be perpendicular. So OP, and this is the tangent line. So OP is perpendicular to tangent line. Which means from center, if I draw one line, to point T, which means here 90 degree I will get. From this R to center, if I draw one line, here also I will get 90 degree. And now if we see here, here also it is one pentagon, but it is not regular. Here also we have one pentagon, this one, but this is not regular now. Okay, so now exterior angle is 72. What is the interior angle we have? Interior angle is equal to 180 minus exterior angle, which is 72. So it will be 108 degree. So which means all interior angles, this is 108, this is 108. So after this, here it will be 108. Okay. Now from this, what we can do here is, this angle I have to find. This angle I have to find. So now this is not a regular pentagon, but I know sum of the angles in regular pentagon, not regular, any pentagon, sum of the interior angles in pentagon, interior angles in pentagon is equal to 180 into n minus 2. Here n is what? Pentagon 5. So which means 180 into 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is what? It will be 3. So 180 into 3. So it will be equal to 540. So which means all the angles, sum of all the angles in regular in any pentagon, it will be equal to 540. Which means what I will do here is, I will take this angle, this angle, this, which I have to find. I will take this as x. I will take this as x. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle, all together it will be equal to 540 degree. So x plus 90 we have 2 times, 90 plus 90. 108 also we have 2 times, 108 plus 108, all together it will be equal to 540 degree. So which means from here, after calculating, so x is equal to 540 minus 2 times 108 minus 2 times 90, because 2 times 90 is there. So you can use calculator. So 540 minus 2 times 108 minus 2 times 90. So it will be equal to, x is equal to 144. So till here, this value of x we got 144 degree. Now after this, we have to find this angle only. The reason why we are finding this angle is, which is x here 140, because we know one theorem, circle theorem. In circle, if 2 points are fixed, you are fixing these 2 points. This is also fixed and this is also fixed, and this is the center. So from this point which is fixed, here we have the angle subtended from the center, whatever angle here you have, and any point on the this region, which means any point I can take from this, any point I can take from here, any point. So suppose if I take this point, if I join like this, this should be fixed. If this is some x or theta, I can say, so this will be 2 times theta. So now you got this answer is 144 here. This will be 144 divided by 2, because from here to here, if you have to go, you have to divide by 2. So 144 divided by 2 is 72. So now see here this diagram. So this point is fixed. I'll change the color. So this point is fixed. This point is also fixed. From here it is 108 degree, and after this, this one, it will be half of 108, so sorry, half of 144. So half of 144 is what? 72. So which means from here I got 72. So which means I got angle TSU, equal to angle TSU, not angle TUS equal to 72 degree. And we have angle TSU, already we have angle TSU equal to 72 degree. So which means in the triangle we have just proved these two angles are equal. So if these two angles are equal, opposite to this equal angles, whatever sides we have, it is equal. So which means then ST will be equal to UT. So that's all we have proved. We have to just prove ST equal to equal to UT, which means if these two angles are equal, opposite to the equal angles, whatever sides we have, it will be equal. So from this we completed this concept.